This is pretty dope. I didn't realize how large the community was for Groms. I'm the only big boy out here, but just meeting up with a couple of my peeps.
The revolution will be live.
So, look at this. I was gonna have jokes with like little folks, but oh man, it's pretty cool. No, just a little short feature. I had no plans of checking being out here, but that's pretty cool. Look at that. I'm not the only big boy out here. Hayabusa out here. Awesome, awesome. We got a famous dude over here. What's going on? Good to see you. All right, all right. Oh man, I had no idea they had this thing going on. I just ended up showing up. What's up, brother? Good to see you, mate. All right. Man, this is a deep community. I'm like, wow. All right. What's going on? How you doing? How you doing? All right. What's going on? Yes, sir. Ooh, my brother, it was good to see you. All right. All right, this is pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna go check some stuff out. Yeah, I'm not the only big boy out here. All right, cool stuff, cool stuff. We'll see you in a bit.